Back to Get Updated Now, and here we are at the Abu Dhabi International Airport, and we are trying the coffee at Samira Maatouk, Maison Samira Maatouk, which is a French name and it means house of coffee. So they have designed it beautifully, and you see they have their own pods, but the strongest one that you can find here is 11. The intensity is 11 on 13. They have their own coffee machine like Nespresso. Not the variety is not like the one that you can get at Nespresso, but here you can personalize your own coffee. So I asked them to make me an Americano using these beans. So Ethiopian origin, and this is dark. And here you can have a look at the beans, you can smell it, and then you can choose whatever you like. So you see these are all different ones ready to check, and these are already packed. So from all the famous places that make coffee or grow coffee beans, they have it all here. And they can even pack it for you if you want to select something from here instead of the pre-packed ones that they have. And they have some chocolates as well. The barista here is really helpful. She made sure that we know about the coffee and where it comes from and about the brand. So yeah, she was really good, and it made us come here. So we are taking it in a takeaway pack. It really smells so good. I can't wait for it. So a pour over kit which looks quite compact. Thank you. So here is my Americano with Ethiopian beans, and the cup is also beautiful, the takeaway cup. So yeah, thank you. So yeah, I've just opened this for you, and you can have a look at this. Look at the crema. I mean, they're using a good machine. This shows with proper pressure. So if you're coming to the Zayed International Airport, you must try this place, which is here, a must try coffee place. Alright, so this is on the 4th floor, and this is the way. Alright, so I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.